Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez Mamaya sa Great Channel of Faith Healer o sa Matarder. So, ngayong hapon, natatigan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagang for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at Megapal. Siksik-lig-lig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Guides, please give me an information. Ano kayang gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gawa? Angel Spirit, please give me information pa. Ano kayang eksena, guys? Let's see. And this is something the chariot card. This is something two joining forces with a something of movement. Oh, may paggalaw ng baso. This is something target. Na talagang maaring tina-target mo na makaalis, makalaya, makabangon. No, this is something target, guys. Parang pinipinpoint mo na matapos lahat ng eksena. And this is the night of Sir with the success driven. Na bibilis ang takbo ng eksena. Kumbaga wow ka talaga na parang, wow, yun na yun. Kumbaga, ang bilis talaga na magiging ganap ngayon. So let's see. And this is the Five of Cups in reverse. So this is something acceptance, no? May mga bagay na matatanggap mo na, no? Kumbaga, no more regrets, no more doubt, no? This is something and information with a solid acceptance. So let's see additional messages. And of course, this is something in Ace of Cups, no? This is something in love offered. May bagong eksena, bagong pag-ibig. This is something a new beginning. So let's see. And because this is something a Three of Cups with a third party or either a celebrations, no? This is something a couple of friends or something socialize with that other friend. No, meron ditong pakikipag-ugnayan. This is the Knight of Pentacles with the security. No, maging secure ka pagdating sa finances, no? Pagdating sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo, kailangan, 'di ba? Kumpletuhin na talagang alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka maiisahan o hindi ka mabobodol. Ganon. Kailangan yamadong-yamado na alam mong hindi ka malulusutan. So let's see what is a Chariot card. Represent the Six of Cups. Oh, this is something a past person coming back, no? May taong babalik from the past or either this is something a reminiscence or either a memories, no? May nangyari sa isang nakaraan na maaring gusto mo ng kumbaga tapusin na, no? Ayaw mo nang kumbaga magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Boom, karaka. This is the Ace of Wands from something a new beginning and new plan. So may mga bagong plano na maaring magpapatbilis na magpapatibok ng puso mo. Ay, no, parang kumbaga super intense, no? Intense happening na. This is the Five of Cups in reverse. So represent the Nine of Pentacles. So this is something financial windfall. Matatanggap mo na daw, no? Itong tuloy-tuloy na biyaya, no? Tuloy-tuloy na pasok ng pera sa iyo. So let's see what is the Ace of Cups. Represent the Ten of Wands. So something burden, no? Para nag-i-struggles ka ngayon pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, no? Maraming mga takalamera, maraming mga ambisyosa, maraming mga echosera, maraming mga sumisingit pagdating sa love life mo, no? Maraming nakikialam. So that's the Tower moment for a major changes, no? May malaking pagbabago na magaganap dito na magdadala sa inyo ng celebration. This is something revealing or either a chaos or destruction. Na may mga bagay na masisira dito or may mga sumisira ng eksena mo na maaaring this is something third party, no? Relatives, friends, no? And this is something a judgment for a wake-up call. paalala sa iyo ng ating divine na kailangan maging secure ka sa kung ano naman na meron ka. Huwag ka masyado magpapaniwala sa mga sulsul ng iba. So let's see what is the chart card of the Six of Cups. Represent the Three of Pentacles, collaboration, teamwork, no? Socialize, no? And of course, kailangan mo interact, kailangan mo makipag-usap ng maayos. Hindi pwedeng tumakas ka, no? Sa nakaraan, kailangan mong, kumbaga, magkaroon ng closure. Ganon. So let's see. What is the Knight of Swords and the Ease of Wands? So this is a Page of Pentacles with an investment. Magkakaroon ka ng investment dito or kailangan mag-invest ka ng, 'di ba, ng tama at wasto, no? Invest wisely. So let's see what is the Five of Cups reverse and the Nine of Pentacles. So this is something, the Sun card, that brings you a success and victory. Now this is something of purification, paglilinis, no? May mga bagay na aalisin, no? At lilinisin sa harili mo at unti-unti mo nang matatanggap ang, 'di ba? Ang hulog ng langit o biyayang ipagkakaloob sa iyo. Let's see what is the Ace of Cups and the Ten of Wands. Reference to the Eight of Swords, that this is a lot of negativities. At this sinasabi ko, di ba kanina, na maraming itsasera, maraming ingetera, maraming mga sumisingit sa pag-ibig mo. This is the Eight of Swords, na napapalibutan ka ng toxicities. Lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo, no? Lakasan mo ang loob mo. This is the Three of Cups and the Tower moment. Reference to the Hangman. Oh, this is something third party talaga, guys, no? Mayroon talaga sumisingit sa eksena mo. Maaring ka mag-anak, kaibigan, o maaaring isa sa pamilya ng asawa mo or pamilya mo. This is something the Hangman na kailangan ng kumawala, no? Nakakaranas ka ng delays and of course cancellation that because of this situation. Now, this is a negative energy na sinasabi na baguhin mo yung perspective mo, baguhin mo yung mindset mo. And the Knight of Pentacles sa Judgment represent what? Represents that Ace of Swords. This is something a breakthrough. Na magtatagumpay ka, this is a Knight of Cups with a wish fulfillment. Na matutupad ka, matutupad yung mga hiniling mo at masusungkit mo ang corona. Charis. Kumbaga makukuha mo tong tamang pagkakataon na malasap mo ang tagumpay na inaasam-asam mo. So let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome for you is the Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. And this is something an inner voice, no? Kumbaga tama ang gut feeling mo, tama ang pangamba mo, tama yung nasa isip, no? Sundin ang iyong gut, no? Sundin mo yung kaba ng dibdib. This is a Death card from the ending and a new beginning. So this is something, an end of loss, no? Talagang tatapusin na wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Babaguhin na at this is something a tool so written in decision, no? May mga bagay na nahihirapan kapag mag-decide pero kailangan mo nang putulin yung cords or nag-uugnay sa sitwasyon na to. Let's see another one more card, please. And this is a Four of Pentacles with a Protector power. Protector energy, saving money. Na kailangan mo protection at pangalagaan kung ano man ang meron ka. Kaya wag kang budol pa sa iba. So let's see additional messages pagdating sa career and finances. So this is a Five of Pentacles with financial loss or financial crisis. Nakakaranas ka ng kagipitan or nakaranas ka ng bankruptcy. That because of magician. Oh, it's either a power of God or power by evil. Now, it's something, an information dyan. Let's see. And this is at Eight of Pentacles. Oh, mag-focus ka sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, ha? This is the Four of Cups. Mag-ingat sa mga bagay na binibigay o nagbibigay sa iyo, mag-ingat ka. No, pag-isipan na mabuti kasi may mga bagay diyan na mamaya itong offer na to yung pala yung nakakaranas or nagbibigay sa iyo ng eksena para bumagsak ang negosyo, hanap buhay mo, pag-iisipan mo mabuti, imbis na swertihin ka, malasin ka. So let's see additional messages pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig. This is the Eight of Cups, so something moving on. So kailangan mo na mag-move on, guys. So this is something unfinished business, but you need to be, you need to have a closure, no? And this is something, the Knight of Cups with an offer. This is something, an offer, apologies, no? This is an offer. And of course, let's see. And of course, this is something, the Six of Wands for victory is your spotlight. So, kumbaga, nandun ka sa stages na parang, kumbaga, pinagsisisihan ng mga tao sa paligid mo lahat ang ginawa sa iyo. That eventually, kumbaga, tinitingnan ka nila bilang isang diamond. Shining, shining, shimmering, kineso. Ganon. Kumbaga, kumikinang-kinang ka. Ganun kakahalaga. Or, no, hindi lang gold, no? Ang kumikinang. Diba? Ang diamond din. You're indestructible. So, let's see. Additional messages about sa health. So, this is something a King of Sword with something ambition, no? Kumbaga binibigyan ka ng pangitain or King of Wands is something as vision and intuitions. At the same time, this is something a knowledge. No, kumbaga binibigyan ka ng malinaw na kaisipan at matalinong, 'di ba? Matalinong dahilan at matalinong pamamaraan. So, kumbaga pagdating sa health issues mo, kayang-kaya mo solusyonan 'yan. So let's see guys, no, what is additional messages with Archangel? What is additional messages with the magical fairy messages? With magical fairy messages, represent what? Represent, do some research. Oh, reevaluate or analyze, guys, no? Study first or something. Kailangan mo matutunan lahat ng mga impormasyon na ibibigay sa'yo. And this is something you need to forgive. Something, para daw matupad yung mga pangarap mo, kailangan mo pakawalan ang galit, puot, at pighati sa puso't isip mo. So, let's see, pagdating naman sa romance angels, pagbuhat ka sa buhay, pag-ibig, anong chika, or eksena mo dito, no? My goodness. Okay, kagati yung mga barado. Balik-baligtad. So, wait lang, guys. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Okay na. So, let's see, guys. Now, what is the romance angels pagdating sa Mystic Love Oracle deck? Okay. So, this is, I told you, guys, unfinished business, no? Unresolved situation. Pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, meron pang hindi tapos. Kaya may bumabalik-balik pa. And this is something compromise, no? May mga pinangako, may mga bagay na kumbaga, sinabi sa kanya, no? This is something travel, no? Kailangan mo mag-travel dito, guys. Or mag-travel ka this time. And this is something in new experiences. And this is a responsibilities, no? Single parent, no? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mo paano. It's either single dad or single mom ka. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Represent, spy watching looking at you. Oh, may sumusabaybay sa'yo dahil. Kuya, ha? And this is a wish fulfillment. Na matutupad yung mga pangarap mo, guys. Oh. And this is something called detachment. Siguro kaya nagkaroon ng kumbaga separation, no? Dahil sa parang nawalan na, no, ng gana. Or either this is something fall out love, no? Nawala na yung pag-ibig. So, let's see what is the synchronicities. Let's see, what is the synchronicities represent of the world, no? This is something the world na maaaring may trouble, this is something an information na distance, no? May distansya kayo sa isa't isa, o maaaring tag-ibang bansa yung person mo, or maaaring nasa ibang bansa siya, or nasa ibang bansa ka. No, this is something a distance. Or maaaring makakapag-trouble ka talaga. And this is something magician. Oh, double clarification, guys, sa dalawang magician, no? Maaaring may gumagawa ng eksena sa'yo, no? Kaya ganun ang nangyari sa buhay pag-ibig mo. And this is a root. May ugat talaga na eksena. So, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, pinaghiwalay kayo dahil may gumawa ng hindi maganda sa inyo. Oh, talaga ba? So, let's see what is the Angels Messages with Money Move Oracle deck, no? For money and career reading. So, let's see. And there's a limitations, no? Let go of your worries. Pakawalan mo yung magbibigay ng doubt and fear sa'yo. Alisin mo daw yan kasi hindi nakakatulong yan. Bagkos nakakagawa ng isang blockages yan sa'yo. And this is something winning. Ipapanalo mo to. And this is something sooner or later, luck comes to everyone, no? Talagang mangyayari yung mga bagay na mangyayari talaga para sa'yo na ipapanalo mo tong laban na to. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit gana. And there's a culmination with the happiness. Now, enjoy your life from the fullest. And this is something hard, turn with a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance, eh. And there's a truth reveal. Na ilalabas lahat ang katotohanan sa'yo. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Your children are watched over by angels, no? Yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, no? Lalo na yung mga anak mo ay ginagabay naman daw ng ating angel spirit. And this is an honor and trust your feelings, no? Kumbaga makinig ka sa gut feeling and inner voice mo, guys. And even the instinct. So let's see, what is additional chakra messages for you? For the chakra despondence, na parang tuliro, parang naguguluhan ka sa situation mo. And there's a forgiveness na kailangan mo magpatawad, na kailangan mo pakawalan yung negativities na yan. And this is a mysticism. Na may misteryo sa talaga sa likod ng eksena na yan. Kung gumaga talagang may gumawa talaga ng eksena dito, this is something miracle. Na matatapos din yan. Bibigyan ng himala at bibigyan ng pag-asa. So let's see what is the Messages so on angels answer. And this is not the right time na may mga bagay na hindi pa sa ngayon. At this is the situation we're in from. At magbabago ng sitwasyon in the perfect timing. So this is the moment na maaaring kumbaga mangyari yan on the right time. So sa ngayon hindi pa. So kailangan mong hintayin yung perfect timing. So let's see. And this is an angel of love. So love can exist talaga. Na kumbaga nandito ang ating anghel na gumagabay pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig na huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa. May taong darating no para makasama mo for long term. So this is our Korkoripia. Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. And this is something magician and the mirror, no? Reflection and of course manifestation. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo ay babalik sa'yo. So just be aware guys, no? This is something ang karma is waving. So this is something appreciation. Na marunong ka dapat mag-appreciate ng mga bagay-bagay, no? Kumaga mag-ingat ka din sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. At magpasalamat ka sa mga bagay na ipinagkakaloob sa iyo. For romance angels, for pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, so let's see. And this is a getting to know each other. Nakilalanin nyo ang isa't isa. No, kailangan mo munang alamin, no, yung buong pagkatao nitong tao na to. And of course, this is something very soon. No, sa susunod na eksena, maaaring kumbaga magkaroon ka ng higher level commitment. So, kumbaga madidecide mo talagang gusto mo ba talaga siya? Or kasama lang siya sa kaelsahan. Charis, no? Maaaring magdanasa. And this is something justice will be served. No? May hustisya talaga, guys. Meron talagang hustisya at may protection na gumagabay sa'yo. So, let's see. And this is something change, unti-unti na mababago. Wow. And this is something denial. I-acknowledge mo yung fear, replace mo yan inside of awareness. So, hindi sa natatakot ka daw. No, nag-aalala ka lang daw na makaganto, ganyan. Ganun dapat. At the same time, this is loneliness, hindi ka nag-iisa. No, ginagabayan ka raw ng ating angel spirit, and this is something happiness, no? Magiging maligaya ka sooner or later. So, let's see. And of course, you are on the right path daw, ha? Additional messages. And of course, big the figure thinking, this is a vision or inspired idea. So, kumbaga binibigyan ka na malino na kaisipan na dagdagan mo pa yung kumbaga pangarap mo or goals mo sa buhay. At the same time, this is something, I'm sorry, no? Meron talaga pinanggagalingan the righting past wrongs and uprooting na talaga merong pagkakamali na nangyari sa nakaraan na gustong itama. Pero may mga pangyayari sa nakaraan na hindi na matatama ang pagkakamali, no? So let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Call upon Archangel from hell. So kailangan mo na tulong ating Archangel Raphael. For Monsology, represent what? For Monsology, represent emotional running high. So, magiging emotional ka na this time. And this is a balance, spiritual, and practicality. So, kailangan mo maging balance, no? And of course, this is something, show the world the real you. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga. Let's see what is a Jesus loving quotes. Blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it. No? Yung mga taong binibless na yun naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos. No? Kumbaga yun yung mga taong binibless daw. So let's see what is the angel's number. Represent what? Angel's number, give me information po. Sir, 550 for the eye candy. Ooh, sinasabi dito guys, get some fresh air or call some of your palms over. Take a look around you. There is so much natural beauty waiting to discover. Either you will soon become involved in an exciting new project or will go out on a date, put your charisma to use everywhere, spread your charm around. So, magkakaroon ka ng intuition dito or something ang charisma na kayang-kaya mong kumbaga akitin or kayang-kaya mong mapaamo yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Wow. Use it in the right way, guys, ha? So, let's see what is additional messages with the messages of life. Represent what? Give me an information. And this is something live for love. So, nabubuhay ka dahil sa pag-ibig at pagmamahal. Today, I put love into everything I do. It is love that gives life to all things, and I open my heart to this great power. I act gently and speak with the kindness. I feel each thoughts with the love and light. I love God and I all being where wherever I live for love, I love myself. Love it. So, sa madaling salita, ang pag-ibig talaga ay wagas, no? Lalo-lalo na kapag yung tao talagang minahal mo ay totoo, talagang ang pag-ibig mo ay tunay, no? At walang kapantay. So, guys, this is something a manly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalay kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.